This is not for the faint-hearted, and this is not for the close-minded. If you are looking for a book that will completely captivate you, that will completely break your heart, that will completely make you angry and mad, I found it. Guys, I found it. And look at those tabs. Red ones are content warnings or triggers. Gray ones are the sad parts, which is drowning or are drowning, or pinks, which are the happy quotes or beautiful quotes. I mean, they're all beautiful. The sad parts are also beautifully written. That's why I gave it 5 stars. This novel is a beautifully written, heart-wrenching story about a young girl named Betty, and we follow her story growing up. It is based on the author's mother's own story. Although fictionalized, it is heavily inspired by a true story. So I'm gonna read to you my content warning, or the book's content warning. Baka if you are into this kinds of hurt or pain, we have rape, incest, animal cruelty, child abuse, racial slurs, suicide, grief, mental illness, bullying, emotional abuse, abortion, miscarriage, misogyny, and death. If you love books that will make you feel deeply and think about life,